Hello everyone, welcome back with another very useful and informative video. In this video, I'll show you how you can change Apple ID two-factor number on your iPhone, iPad or any other iOS device. So if you want to change Apple ID two-factor number or two-factor authentication number, then here in this video, I'll show you how you can do that. So first of all, here you'll need to open settings. Then after that, here you'll need to tap on your Apple ID profile. So then after that you will see this tab interface. Here you will need to tap on sign in and security. So after that you will see this tab interface. Here you will need to tap on two-factor authentication. So here you can see that here's option of add a trusted phone number. Here already I have entered my two-factor number. Here tap on this. So here you need to tap on remove account. Then after that your Apple ID two-factor number will be deleted, and here after that you will ask to enter your new mobile phone number, which will your two-factor number on your iPhone or iPad device that will be used for Apple ID two-factor authentication. So that's it from this video. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, then please subscribe my channel and also press the bell icon so that you can get my all upcoming videos.